Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with a quick, focused warm-up to protect joints and open your hips. Once done, lock onto the 4/4 beat and count 1-2-3-4 aloud. This anchors timing. Move into the basic right-left step pattern with a confident small hip sway on each downbeat, keeping knees soft. Practice for 4 bars slowly, then increase tempo. Make sure to breathe and stay light on the balls of your feet so transitions remain smooth and playful. You now layer arms and accents to match the song's character. Start by practicing a simple arm sequence, wave then point then circle, over 8 counts so your upper body matches rhythm. Once comfortable, add a hip roll and a shoulder pop on beats 2 and 4 to create contrast. Practice a 4-bar phrase slowly, then loop it. Make micro foot variations like a 1/2 step or heel lift to keep movement dynamic. Make sure timing stays precise as complexity grows. You finish by polishing transitions and expression so the routine reads as performance, not drill. Run the full sequence at the song's volume 2 to 3 times, emphasizing accents and facial expression. This sells each move. Make sure your breathing supports energy and your accents land on the musical cues. If you lose timing or feel offbeat, immediately drop to half speed, reset to counting 1-2-3-4, and repeat the sections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.